And over and over again, the times that I've had, along with everyone else, enjoying world that we have, I'm always told, pretty much it's time to go. As much enjoyment you're getting at whatever you're doing, somebody always says, we got to go. Why? Because we got to put money in the meter. How am I supposed to eat when I'm a remote neural monitor attacked while I'm trying to eat? You see? Why am I trying to eat? And this is often when they try and kill me when I'm swallowing. Because that's when you're most likely to be choked by remote neural monitoring, because they find out when people are swallowing. If you find that you are under remote neural monitoring attack, like what you just saw here, and you're having trouble swallowing, take little tiny bites of bread, small pieces, and chew them and swallow them, and tilt your chin down. Somehow, if you do that, you can swallow while you're under demonic attack, and it minimizes choking. It's the best you can do. If you're under attack by this thing, do that, small pieces of food, and tilt your chin down. Now, with water, same thing. And they will try and get you to take a big gulp. Don't. Small sips of water. And, it's going to be hard because they'll do a mind wipe like Men in Black, where you'll forget. You'll forget because they're constantly on you. There are people on you. 50 fucking people. 50 fucking devils are assigned to each human on planet Earth, and you're going to go, good God, that's an unbelievable large number of people. If there's 8 billion times 50, that's how many demons are on the humans on planet Earth. It is, I'm sorry, it's beyond belief, but that's where you are. You are on a planet that just came out of hell. 1987. 1987 was when this planet Earth, came out of hell. Before 1987, the collective consciousness of humanity was under 200 on the scale of human consciousness. 1987, the first time ever, it popped over 200. 200 is the dividing line. At 200, you are in a new kind of reality. It's no longer hell. But all of those devils came with us. Because they're still here. Where are these devils? Well, I don't know. You say, well, then what's the real... I don't know what the real population of planet Earth is. Is it really 8 billion people? It just seems like it's an enormously large number one way or another. Is it God and Satan? I don't know. I don't know. These are some questions that I'll leave with you to ponder. What do you get? Because you can let your mind work on that problem and see what you get.